What is up, guys? Braedon here from Film Supply Club. Going to be doing a little video and review on the Nikonos V, which is just a really killer underwater camera that Nikon made, and going to be playing around down here on vacation in Cancun, Mexico with my family, and going to be scuba diving, snorkeling, playing with this thing. But dude, what a cool looking camera, right? Like, Nikon did something right with this puppy. But yeah, love this. It's a cool zone focus camera. It was made for diving, so the knobs and buttons are really easy to move around. It's zone focus, so you're not able to actually see through here what your focus is. You're doing it by distance, and gonna show you how all that works, but playing around mostly and seeing how it comes out. Shooting 400H by Fuji in this, and then also playing around with the Yashica T4 just for some other shots that I might throw in here as well. But yeah, hopefully you love this, and what a cool camera. Let's see how it turns out. To go over just a few functions of this camera to just show you if you've never used it before, the one thing that would be maybe a little confusing would be that it's zone focus. When you're looking through the viewfinder, it's just a window showing you it's showing you the framing. So to actually focus, there's two dials. This one is showing you your range of focus. This is called zone focusing. It's showing you the meters, how far away your object is, or your subject, or whatever it is that you're shooting. And then up here is your aperture, which the dials are really, really easy to use underwater. But what this does, the higher the number, the broader your depth of field. So you have a much bigger range of getting things in focus. Whereas if you brought it down to wide open at that 2.5, you have a really, really small window of focus. You would be like, if you're shooting something really close, so you get a lot more light in, which is nice if it's dark, but you need to be exactly a meter away. Where watch, see these little orange dials? When you bring this up to, let's say, f16, now between these dials it shows you could be from 0.8 of a meter up to 2 meters. Then you can go, now if you're shooting something a little bit further away, you can be at infinity to about 1.5, 1.2. So you have a much broader range, right? So watch the little orange dials, and as you bring them down, they get a much more narrow range of focus, and you go up here, much broader range of focus. The two things is, when it's up here, you're getting a lot less light in at f22, f16, versus down here, you get a lot more light in. So you'll just have to, it's either bright sunny day, knowing your film speed, you want to have, I would say, at least a 400 speed film, or Portra 800 would probably be a great one, but I'm shooting Fuji 400H, but that's how this thing works. If you want to know how to rewind the camera, which is sort of tricky, but then it's really easy once you know it, you take this setting right here, see this little R? You just put it to the R. It won't rewind until you do that. So you get that on the R, and then you pull this guy up, right there, pop this, and then you just rewind it. It'll be tight, and then you'll feel it go back in there, and then you'll be rewound, ready to go. To get this back down, you sort of just twist it, boom, there you go.
Mexico.
It's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. And hopefully you like that. And man, what a rad little camera. Got some fun photos. See you on the next one.